All right, hey guys, what's up? I just went out to I started a YouTube channel, so I wanted to like put something on it. I want to start off with an unboxing video. So I got this new TV that I picked up from Target just today, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I'm gonna add this handy little knife here. That's and like that. All right. Okay, so we're gonna get a nice undershot of the box right there. Pull that stuff out. Pull this out. This as well. I do it from like this side right here. I'm trying to like get the box here. Let's put this back here. I'm trying to like get a grip on it. Anthony, come help me here real quick. Seems to end there pretty well. Right out here. Let's like cut it from underneath here. Let's cut the bottom of this right here. This is too difficult to get it out from there. Let's pull that out. This as well. This whole thing right here. All right, and there we go. Here's the TV right here. Alright, so there's the TV right here. So